Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Android Problem Solution. So this is the introduction video. If you are facing any kind of another problem, then you can mail me on the given email address. Okay. Now in this channel today we are going to discuss what we are going to do in the whole session. Okay. So this channel is for the beginners as well as for the developers who are facing problem during the Android development. In this channel, I will provide you the solution regarding all the possible problems that I will face during my Android development, or if you are facing, then mail me on the given email ID. I will make a separate video on that topic and solve and try to solve the problem as soon as possible. Okay, so let's enjoy the video and continue your development. Thanks.